Company used to use mangrove in the Federal Forest.
Where are you guys from?
They're from Spain and some
Yes.
Spain
From
and France.
Spain and France.
Oh, France. Which
Oh,
part of
France.
France? I was in Paris 1996. Oh no, 97. Were you from France?
South of France.
Southern part?
Avignon.
Lyon?
Southern.
Still southern.
We are glad. Both of you we meet each other. So look at your left and right side. These are mangrove trees. This is on the Philippines. So I think they are special. I will introduce you for the kinds of mangrove we have. In this mangrove place, we have 4 kinds of mangrove trees. At your right side, that is the male mangrove trees are 21 or narrow-braided. The other one is female mangrove, which are whether they are hanging on the ground. Propagule is plain. While the one is still hanging on the branch, the one is germinated itself. Once it falls down on the water, it will stick on the ground, and it will grow as one as a unit of that planting. So that is propagule. Oh, good.
Tigilan mo na yan kasi cellphone.
You have an important about man? No problem. If Mang Ontoy will not come, I'll be the one
look at the
your
bird.
boss woman. Because Mang Ontoy will not
Oh, I'm not a good driver.
very good 65, darling. You're very good 65.